years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your
This restaurant's focus is on growing vegetables organically on its own farm. So the vegetables are very fresh and you can enjoy the true taste of them. I especially wonderfully recommend kale, which is not bitter but rather even sweet.
ケールビア、そうですよね。
ビアも
はい。
アルコールなんですけども、
はい。
オレンジジュースとケールを混ぜ合わせたものをベースに。
Very easy to drink and delicious. This one is homemade tomato jam and kale Genovese topped with burrata cheese. Wow, this tomato jam here, how delicious it is! I want to cook it. It's an occupational hazard when I eat good food that makes me want to make it. My mouth is filled with the refreshing aroma of Genovese.
すごい、これケールなんですね。
ケールと少しバジル使ってるんですけど、あと夏の食感で。
The bread is Danish bread with a slight sweetness to it. This appetizer and the bread go very well together. Wow, look at this pile of kale Caesar salad. The cutlery is lovely. The pink pepper is a nice touch.
Years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. Inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you?
I can't get enough of stretching cheese. Here, mozzarella is grilled on a griddle for a savory finish. The juiciness of duck and cheese are wonderfully synergistic.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.